Gani is sick.
Gani is going back to the garage after finishing his day.
It's red light. Oh? Oh? What's going on? Whoa, what was that?
Oh, I'm sorry. Are you okay?
I'm all right. Are you not feeling well?
No, I think I should go see Hannah and get fixed.
Really? I'm sure Hannah could make you feel much better. Let's go.
Okay.
Hi, Hannah.
Hi, Gani. Oh, what's that all over your face?
I'm on the way to the car wash. I think you should give Ratch a checkup. He's feeling very sick.
Hi, Hannah.
Oh my. Please come with me.
Okay.
Well, I guess I'll go wash up then.
Okay.
How am I?
I'm afraid your engine is very dirty. I think you'll need an injection of engine cleaning fluid.
Engine cleaning fluid?
Just stay here. I'll be right back with it.
Okay.
Wow, it always feels great to wash up. Oh, what's that noise?
Do I really need that shot?
Of course. This will make you feel better right away.
But,
Here goes.
What's that? That looked really painful. How scary.
Hi, Gani.
Oh, hey, you guys.
Hi. What was that noise just now? I heard someone scream.
Oh, Ratch is getting fixed in the repair shop right now, and Hannah just gave him a huge and scary shot.
A shot? What's that?
It must be the engine cleaning fluid.
Oh,
Engine cleaning fluid?
It helps make dirty engines clean again.
Yeah, but the shot feels really weird when it goes in. It's so unpleasant.
Plus, the needle is humongous and sharp and really scary. I never want to go through that again.
Really? So that's why Ratch was so terrified.
Here goes.
Gani is frightened by the engine cleaning fluid. It's the next morning.
I'm awake. Huh? Everyone's still asleep. Hi, Hannah.
Oh, hi, Taiyo. How are you?
Good. Where are you going?
Oh, actually, I was on my way to see all of you guys.
For what?
I gave Ratch a shot of engine cleaning fluid yesterday because his engine was dirty. That made me realize it's time for you guys to get shots as well.
Engine cleaning fluid?
You have to get the shot or your engine could break down.
Engine cleaning fluid?
Here goes.
No!
So bring everyone to the repair shop when they get up, okay?
Okay.
I don't want a shot.
I'll be waiting for you at the repair shop.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, Tayo's coming.
Oh no! Gani's running away because he's scared of getting the shot.
Where's Gani going?
What should I do? I didn't mean to run away. Hannah must be looking for me.
Here goes.
But I am so afraid!
Oh, great, you guys are here.
Do we really have to get the shot?
I really don't want to.
Yes, you do. You need to get the shot if you don't want to get sick. Huh? By the way, where's Gani?
Gani went out earlier this morning.
Oh, yeah? He's never gone out without telling me before. What should we do? Gani needs to get the shot, too.
Oh, can I get the shot later with Gani then?
Me too.
We should all get it later.
No way. You guys can get it first.
No way!
want to get it later.
I'm not ready to get it
Come
yet.
back here right now, all of you.
Taya, the little bus.
I'm not feeling so well today.
Huh?
Maybe it's because I've been so worried. I never should have sneaked out in the first place. Welcome aboard.
Are you okay?
You look exhausted.
Oh no, I'm okay. Well, off we go now. What's going on here? Why am I shivering?
Whoa! What's happening? The bus is shaking and trembling.
What's wrong, little bus? Are you feeling sick?
No. Don't worry, everyone. What's wrong with me?
Everybody's looking at me.
I think I'm really sick.
Huh? What's that noise? Yikes! What in the world?
Oh, I'm sorry, Shine.
Look how dirty I am!
I'm so sorry.
Hey, it's a green light. Hurry up and go.
I'm so sorry.
Ew, nasty.
This is embarrassing!
What is wrong with me today? Whoa, what was that? I'm just like how Ratch was. Could it be?
I feel so much better after the engine cleaning fluid. It was a bit scary at first, but I'm really glad I got it. Huh? Hi, Shine!
Tyo.
Oh, Shine, what happened to your face? Huh?
This is all Gani's
Oh,
fault.
what did Gani do?
Gani suddenly sneezed and blew his smoke all over my face.
Did he really?
Sheesh. I just got all washed up. Now look how dirty I am!
Oh,
Oh my, it's a hill. It looks a lot steeper than usual. Even so, I should hurry. The passengers must be waiting. This is weird. I feel so tired.
What's going on?
Why did he stop?
I can't move any further.
What? We're gonna crash!
Be careful, everyone. Hold tight.
Oh, Tyo!
Gani! Are you all right?
No, I feel sick.
Oh. Toto, please take care of Gani.
all right. I'll help you, Gani.
Thank you, Toto.
What happened? You could have really hurt yourself if Tyo hadn't told me.
Tyo told you?
Shine told me about your condition. Gani, I'll take over the rest of your route so you can get some rest.
Thanks a lot, Tyo.
My pleasure.
I'm so sorry, Hannah. I ran away because I was scared of the engine cleaning fluid.
So that's what happened.
I'm sorry. I'll never run away again.
Okay, I'm going to give you the shot now so you can get better quickly.
Huh? But no.
It's okay, Gani.
Don't be scared.
I got it earlier today and it wasn't bad at all.
Huh? You did?
Gani, can you open up your charging cap?
Okay.
Here I go. There.
Is it over? Hannah, is it over yet?
Yep, I'm already done.
Huh?
It's all finished.
Already? I didn't even know you were done.
Oh, yeah? You see, it might look scary at first, but it's really nothing, right?
Uh-huh. It didn't hurt at all.
See, Gani? You fussed about nothing.
You didn't have to run away.
Sorry, guys.
You're not scared of getting engine cleaning fluid anymore, are you?
Nope, not anymore. But I'd rather not get it again.
What?
Get well soon, Gani. We look forward to seeing you healthy and well again.